Avoid excessive consumption of processed foods, sugary snacks, and drinks. Stay Sure, here are 15 general rules of health that can contribute to overall well-being. Maintain a balanced diet. Eat a variety of nutrient-dense foods, including fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Avoid excessive consumption of processed foods, sugary snacks, and drinks. Stay hydrated. Drink an adequate amount of water throughout the day to support bodily functions and maintain hydration. Exercise regularly. Engage in physical activity for at least 150 minutes per week. Choose activities you enjoy, such as walking, jogging, cycling, or dancing. Get sufficient sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night to rejuvenate your body and mind. Manage stress. Adopt stress management techniques like meditation, deep breathing exercises, or engaging in hobbies to reduce stress levels. Practice good hygiene. Maintain personal hygiene by washing hands regularly, taking showers, and brushing teeth twice a day. Limit alcohol consumption. Drink alcohol in moderation, if at all. Guidelines recommend no more than moderate drinking, which means up to 1 drink per day for women and up to 2 drinks per day for men. Avoid tobacco. Quit smoking and avoid exposure to secondhand smoke. Seek help from healthcare professionals or support groups if needed. Protect your skin. Apply sunscreen with a high SPF, wear protective clothing, and limit sun exposure to reduce the risk of skin damage and skin cancer. Stay socially connected. Maintain healthy relationships with family and friends. Social interaction can provide emotional support and reduce feelings of loneliness. Practice safe sex. Use protection to prevent sexually transmitted infections. Regularly get tested if you are sexually active. Stay up to date with vaccinations. Follow recommended immunization schedules to protect yourself and others from preventable diseases. Manage weight. Maintain a healthy body weight through a combination of balanced eating habits and regular exercise. Regular health checkups. Schedule regular checkups with your healthcare provider to monitor your overall health and address any concerns or issues. Take care of your mental health. Prioritize your mental well-being by seeking help from professionals if needed, practicing self-care, and maintaining a positive mindset. Remember that these rules are general guidelines, and it's important to consult with healthcare professionals for personalized advice based on your specific health needs and conditions.